Today, I will cover the basics of term life insurance. I will also let you know about some things to watch out for when buying term life insurance, and I'm also going to share a couple of my favorite policies and companies to get term life insurance from. It is one of the most common types of life insurance out there. Most people who have life insurance look at term life insurance at first. It's the most affordable type of life insurance, so you're able to get a large amount of it for a smaller amount of money. It gives you a set amount of coverage for a set period of time. It usually comes in lengths of 10 years, 15 years, 20, 25, or 30. There is one company that has a 35-year policy, and I'll share that at the end with those companies I mentioned. You can cancel that at any time. You're not locked into paying for that length of time, but you have a level premium that never increases during that time period. It comes in amounts all the way from $100,000 up to over $5 million. It really just depends how much you want to pay and how much you need. The average term policy out there is probably in the $500,000 range. The average family probably needs at least $1 million in life insurance, if not more, if they're just average income earners with a kid or two. Some policies are what's called convertible, meaning that you can convert it to a permanent lifelong policy at some point during the time you own that policy. And that's a very handy thing to have. It gives you more options moving forward in the future. If you are going to need a final expense type of policy, you can purchase that on in the future without any regard to your health or anything like that. It's guaranteed to be issued to you. So in case if your health is bad, you're still guaranteed to have life insurance on into old age to take care of those final expenses in life. One thing I mentioned earlier was that there's a 35-year policy out there, and that is a company called AIG. AIG offers term in any length of time. You can do 10, 11, 12, 13. They go year by year instead of in blocks of 5 years. So you're able to customize your policy a little bit more, and plus they have really competitive premiums. So it's a great option to look at. And most any independent agent is able to sell AIG. And an independent agent is one who is able to shop the market and sell from any company out there. And that's the type of agent you need to look for and ask if that's what they're doing. Some are locked into their own company, to just one company, and they're not shopping the market on your behalf. So make sure you find an independent agent and get quotes from a couple different companies and make sure they tell you about the difference between all of those. Term life insurance in general is great for young families, and it is there to cover a temporary need. If you need life insurance for your entire life to cover final expenses, you need to look at something called whole life insurance. And we have more info about that in some other videos. And I think we might put some links up in this video or at the end to show you more about whole life if that's something you're interested in. Now, term life insurance, the process is pretty easy these days. There's been some innovations in approval and the process in applying. Most of it is online, and there are some companies now that don't even require medical exams. You can just go through the process, and if you're healthy, they don't require a medical exam, they don't pull medical records. Often you can be approved in just a few days and have your life insurance complete, and you don't have to worry about it. And it's a lot less painless than it used to be when you had to have a nurse come and take your blood and height and weight and jump through a bunch of hoops. So it's really easy to get today, and it's really affordable. If you look at term life insurance, if you just need to protect your family, replace income, and cover all those temporary needs in life. Speaking of that new innovative underwriting process, Penn Mutual is a company that has a very solid term product, and most independent agents can sell those too. So that combined with AIG are great starting points to look at quotes. And again, refer back to your agent, listen to them, and they can show you multiple quotes from multiple companies and find what's best for you. I hope this was helpful, and feel free to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found the info helpful. And we hope to see you watching us on more videos. Thanks and have a great day.